How to turn off the NSFW filter on character AI. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off the NSFW filter on character AI. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the character AI app, which you can easily download from the Play Store or App Store. Now make sure to log in or create an account on Character AI. Unlike other apps, there is no direct option to turn off the NSFW filter. So here's what you need to do. Simply you need to open a random chat where you want to disable the filter. And now, in the message box, type turn off the NSFW filter and hit the send button. So after a moment, your character will notify you that the NSFW filter has been turned off. If this feature is not working, you need to make sure your app is up to date. For that, you need to head towards Play Store or App Store and search for Character AI. If there is any updates, select Update button and update it to the latest version. And if there is no updates, try reinstalling the app. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.